Hey YouTube, this is Palm Productions, and today I have a unboxing, or so-called unboxing, of the Gerber Fast Draw 3-inch blade. Okay, on the outside, first see, Gerber Fast Draw 3-inch blade, assisted opening knife, surgical stainless steel for strength and corrosion resistance, full edge fine blade, that's the one I got, not the serrated one, fast technology, assisted opening blade, and you see this picture, FAST. You see that Ford Action Spring technology, and then over here is pocket clip on the back, textured handle for grip, as you can see right there, dual thumb stud for left and right hand opening onto the back. Okay, on the back is Fast Draw 3-inch blade, and then it says, let's see this. And okay, all this other crap and stuff. It says on the side, there, guide for yourself. Also on the bottom. Just an opening knife. Okay, now time to open it. I already opened it. As you can see, I'm just gonna take that out. Here's the thing, a piece of paper that comes with it. Here's the knife. Okay, it's hard to get out of the box. There you go. I got it out. Comes with this tip protector thing, so it doesn't poke through the box. Okay, let's get a close-up view on this. This is Gerber end of clip. Clip seems pretty nice, pretty big. Let me close it. As you can see, if the clip's on your pocket, the point is face up. So if it opens, just lock it up. The lock works really good. Only opens like 1 millimeter up, as you can see. The opening is really fast. You see that? Blade on blade on blade. Okay. It says Gerber. See? It's really sharp. Right out of the box. Okay. Although on my model the flipper's like you can't use it. Just sucks. But yeah. Still really fast. As you can see. It's really thin. And it's only like 3.5 ounces heavy. And the lock is this thing right here. As you can see. When the red is showing, you can open it. That. After you do that, it goes down. That means it's locked. See? There's no blade play at all, as you can see. No, the lock is really good. And the texture is like one of those wavy ones. And if you want to loosen it up, these I don't know what that kind of screw is called, but it's right there. You can loosen the blade up or tighten it up depending on your preferences. You can open up like a regular blade too, slowly, 2 hands, but I don't know who wants to do that. Okay, use this a little bit. Okay, there you go. This is the unboxing of the Gerber Fast Draw. I'll be back to you with a review of this that I heard on YouTube or from Amazon where I purchased it. That this knife is really good. It's really fun to open, by the way. Not nearly as fast as a switchblade, but still, it's legal, so what would you say? Okay, see ya. This is the Gerber Fast Draw. Fast Draw. Okay. See ya. This was Palm Productions with the Gerber Fast Draw.